Hello everyone, here's a review for an application that's a lot like Spotlight but a lot better. It's called Alfred, here's the icon right down here, and it's free off of the App Store. We won't be needing this icon because you access Alfred using a keyboard shortcut. In my case it's Command X, but in preferences you can set it to whatever you want. So here's this text box, and just like Spotlight, you type things in and it searches for you. You just hit enter and it'll open it up for you. So it's really handy and fun and easy to use, but there are two things that I think make it better than Spotlight. One is how it looks, and in preferences I'll show you can really tweak how it looks and how it works to really personalize it. Two, it does more than what Spotlight does, and you saw I hit that little cogwheel here, or you can type in Alfred Preferences to get to Preferences, and now I'll try and go through some of the many features that Alfred has. Under General, there's Launch Alfred at Login. You can do that. You can set the Alfred hotkey. And then now let's go to Features. There are lots of features. Under Basic, you can select what you want Alfred to search through, what you don't want Alfred to search through, stuff like that. And then there's Web Searches and Custom Web Searches, so you can add your own web searches. Then there's Calculator and Dictionary settings, so options to use when you're using calculator and dictionary through Alfred, which is pretty handy. And then there's system commands. So system commands, you can actually tell Alfred to do things for you. My favorite is empty trash. So you just type in empty trash and it'll empty trash for you. It can also start screensaver, show trash, it'll put your computer to sleep, log out your user account, stuff like that. And you can customize these commands, so you can change screensaver to whatever you want. There's eject, it'll eject removable media for you. It'll hide, quit, and force quit applications for you. So yeah, Alfred does a lot of stuff, a lot more than what Spotlight does. My favorite part of Alfred, though, is its appearance. So here there are color themes that you can choose through, and I like dark and smooth right now because it matches my wallpaper. Under appearance options, you can choose to have hide hat on Alfred window. For example, if I uncheck this, there's this little hat here. If I check it, the hat is gone, so I'll leave the hat off. You can have a menu bar icon by unchecking this, and here's this little menu bar icon. There's remember last type query, there's remember window position, there's auto highlight top result. There's lots of different options under appearance, which I really like. And the last thing I'd like to point out is this little usage area here, and it actually tells you an average of how many times you use Alfred per day, and it tells you how many times you used Alfred, which is pretty interesting and neat to have. So yeah, Alfred, it's free, it's handy. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you find Alfred as handy as I did.